Hey guys, welcome back. So today is just going to be something different. It's going to be my Sunday weekly reset video. Just here, I'm waking up in the morning, getting my stretches in. I'm thinking of a constant running to-do list in my head. The first thing I do in the morning, I get myself ready, I get my daughter ready. It's time to take her hair out. I don't want to do that fight. Like tomorrow's the holiday, we're going to do it tomorrow, but let's just make it cute. Cue the gospel music. It's time to clean up the kitchen. I have to go to Target, and I should have went to Target the first thing, but instead I'm lollygagging around the kitchen, trying to straighten up before I leave. I normally drink 2 bottles of water in the mornings. I'm not making any coffee today, so I'm filling my cup up, drinking my bottle of water, and just straightening up the kitchen. I need to put the plates away. It's a lot. Like, I constantly have a list running in my head of things that I need to do. And I'm also checking the weather because it's getting dark outside, and I know Florida, it's about to rain cats and dogs in a minute. I bought some new snacks to try throughout the week instead of munching on junk, and honey, those were nasty. Y'all know once that candle is lit, it's done. We had a little movie night last night, and we left out all the blankets. It's here straightening up the living room, and it's time to get out the fall decor because it is September. I don't know about y'all, but it feels like I could never keep my house straight, especially the living room. I organize these pillows at least 2 times a day, and it's always a hot mess by the end of the night. To keep my daughter busy and distracted while we straighten up, I set out her tunnel, and then I have to go to her room because her room is a hot mess. Like, I don't know if a tornado went off in there or what. I'm dusting down. She's on the bed playing, and this is her design on the door. She literally, I don't even know how she got them on the door, but it's time for them to come off. I got these positive affirmation stickers, posters from Amazon. I'll link it below if you're interested. But they kept falling off the wall. So I went to the dollar store and got some double-sided tape. So now I'm just taping them back up on the wall. Her room is literally a hot mess. Her birthday just passed in August. And when I said baby girl got some toys, too much going on. I'm getting her clothes ready for the week, folding up the clothes that I just washed. Don't mind me. I know I just fold that sheet in a ball, but it is what it is. The basket may not look like a lot because she's tiny, but it's a lot of little pieces of shirts and pants and shorts. And now that she's potty trained, little panties that I have to fold up. And it takes about 30 minutes just to organize her stuff for the week. That knock on the door let me know our food is here, and I'm so excited. I'm not a breakfast person, and my husband didn't feel like cooking, so we ordered some Denny's with Uber Eats. And baby, when I tell y'all that burger with the egg on top, perfect. My daughter wanted bacon and pancakes and eggs, so we got her that, and my husband had his omelet. Afterwards, I started to journal, do my notes, I use Smart Tasks, and Good Notes to do my weekly schedule. So I plan out my content for the week, and then I go over what is it that I actually need to do for my job. So if you don't know, I am a social worker, so I list out when I need to see my clients. Of course, I'm not going to put their names on there because of HIPAA. And I also write down when I've got to go to yoga or when I have to do boot camp. I really do love Good Notes. And of course, you have to meditate. My husband and my daughter went for a walk, and I decided to just stay home and sit on the chair and meditate, be thankful. I went outside to check on the plants. Like, I knew it was about to rain, so I didn't want to water them. But I just noticed there was something living in my garden, and it's been pushing the plants over. I think it's a raccoon, big ass raccoon at nighttime. But look at my little pineapples. They coming in. The rain is coming down. I feel it. I'm just frustrated because whatever was in the garden literally eating up my plants. And of course, it started raining. I don't know about y'all, but my spice cabinet, a hot mess. So I got this Lazy Suzanne from the store. I think I got it from Bales. And I'm just organizing, trying to get as much done. So we're going to be organizing this hot mess. I need to get more of the, what are they called? Lazy Suzanne. I need to get more of this to do the top one and to do the other shelves. Y'all don't even want to see in here. It's a mess, but I love this. Should get another one, but I'm going to get a bigger one for up here. Now let's move on to so I got this from Bales, and it was only $12.99. I got this because of TikTok when everyone was getting it, and I got these also because of TikTok, and they were a hot mess. They were both a hot mess, and my OCD says no. Look at all of this. Trying to do all that I can do while it's still raining, so I'm not just wasting time lollygagging in the house. It came out so much better. I'm so happy. It's still a little messy, but it's not what it was before. Like, more cleaning, and now I gotta finish up laundry. It's time for a dance break. I was listening to gospel. I don't know when the record came on. It's still raining, but I decided to make a break for it while my daughter is still sleeping and do my Target run. Okay, so the goal is to spend $50 in Target. So let's see. Or do I want to get some Target? So the whole purpose of this trip was to get pads and night diapers for my daughter. Somehow I end up in makeup. But I do need a new contour kit because I am trying to learn how to do contour. And I love the lip bar. So let's check them out, see if they got any new lipstick. Decided to get some blush as well because I needed some, and I looked for setting spray and primer. Believe it or not, I never use primer or setting spray. So let's see how that turns out. My next makeup. This alone won't be ridiculous. No.
Oh, really? Doesn't she need diapers?
$178, and all I went for were pads and diapers, and I ended up spending $178. I ended up buying my daughter clothes, which she don't need, but you can't go to the store without buying your kids something. And these TGIN products, so I ended up getting the whole TGIN Ting products. So they're all natural. They're from Target. And they were hella expensive. I think one was $17. The cheapest was probably $12.
I got the whole line, and I saw everybody raving about this on TikTok. So I'm going to try it in my hair and in my daughter's hair. But yeah, this was the most expensive part of my Target haul.
Don't come for me. The wrapper is clean. It's not the one that the fish comes in. I have some at home. Anyways, I'm getting the dinner ready. Dinner ready for later. I don't really care for salmon or fish that much, but my husband wanted some, so I decided I'll make that for him with some rice, and then I'll make me something else. While the food is cooking, I decided it's time to do some yoga just to start my self-care process and clear my mind. Target was a lot, but it's a necessity. And of course, I came home and decided to play with the makeup products that I bought. Self-care loading. 1, 2, 3. So that's it, guys. It's just my last 15 minutes in the shower, just relaxing. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Vanessa. If you're new, welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.